Every investor dreams of building wealth, retiring early, and living life on their terms. But what if I told you there's one mistake, a silent wealth killer, that's destroying your potential every single day? And the scariest part? Most people don't even know they're making it. But don't worry, you're not here to fail. By the end of this video, you'll not only uncover this critical error, but also learn how to flip it to work in your favor. The next 4 minutes could literally save your financial future. Are you ready? Let me tell you a story, one you'll never forget. A young investor, let's call him Jake, was in his mid-20s. Just like many of you, he had the passion, the drive, and even started investing early. But there was one thing he ignored: emotional investing. You know the drill. Buying high out of fear of missing out and selling low when panic sets in. Jake thought he was being smart, reacting quickly to the market. But the truth? He was destroying his wealth, one impulsive decision at a time. Over 5 years, he lost nearly 40% of what could have been his portfolio's value. Now, imagine this instead. What if Jake had learned the golden rule of investing? Stay disciplined, trust the process, ignore the noise. Here's the good news. You don't have to repeat Jake's mistake. Let's dive into how you can protect your wealth starting today. To avoid this common trap, you need 2 things: knowledge and discipline. First, understand that market volatility is normal. Smart investors, like those who build generational wealth, see downturns as opportunities, not threats. They stay the course and automate your investments. Set a plan and stick to it. Dollar cost averaging is your best friend. It keeps your emotions out of the equation and builds wealth over time. But here's the urgency. Every day you delay fixing this mistake is a day lost to compounding wealth. Time is your greatest asset, and it's slipping away. Want to secure your financial future in 2025? Don't stop here. Watch my next video. This is your last chance to save 2025, where I'll break down the exact steps you need to take right now to avoid financial disaster and create unstoppable momentum. Click here to keep your journey to wealth alive. Your future self is counting on you.